Hello, this is the program to find the area and volume of cone. So for a cone, we can see that there will be two properties. The one is the radius of the circular base, and h, which is the height of the cone. So by using these two properties, we should be able to calculate the area and volume of the cone. For that purpose, we are declaring two variables for storing the for storing radius and height of the cone. The variables are named as R and H, which is of float type. Then we are displaying to find the area and volume of a cone. We are displaying the message and then display the message enter radius. By using cout statement, we display this message, and by using cin, we takes the value of radius into the variable R. Similarly, we display the message enter height and take the value of the height into the variable h. Now we have accepted two properties of the cone R and H. Now we can first find out the slant height of the cone. The slant height of a cone can be calculated as the square root of R square plus H square. So we can use the square root function. So for that purpose, we can include the header file math.h. So hash include math.h is used for using the square root. We have a function sqrt which can be used for finding the square root. So here we are calculating the slant height by using sqrt function. So sqrt of r square. So r square can be calculated as r into r plus h square can be calculated as h into h. And the slant height will get stored into the variable L. Now by using the slant height, we can be able to calculate the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area LS can be calculated as pi into R into L. So we use the equations pi RL for calculating the lateral surface area. So LS equals, we are writing pi into R into L, which will give us the lateral surface. So now we are using the pi as a constant, so it needs to be defined by using hash define statement. We have written hash define pi 3.14159, which we are taking as the pi value. So by using the equations pi into RL, we are calculating the lateral surface area. Similarly, we can use the equations pi r square to calculate the circular base surface area. So circular areas can be calculated by using pi r square. So we write BS, base surface area, equals pi into r square r into r. Now the total surface area of the cone will be the sum of lateral surface area and the circular surface area. So we write total surface area TS equals LS plus BS. So total surface area is a sum of lateral surface area plus base surface area. So we have used TS equals LS plus BS. LS is the lateral surface area and BS is the base circular surface area. Now we can calculate the volume of a cone by using the equation 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we are using a variable v for storing the equation value 1 by 3 pi into r square r into r into h, which will give us the volume of the cone. So we have calculated all the values which is required for area and volume. Now these all values can be displayed. First we are displaying the slant height, which is stored in the variable L, and similarly we display the lateral surface area, which is stored in the variable LS, and then we display the value of base surface area, which is stored in the variable PS, and after that we display the total surface area of a cone, which is stored in the variable TS, and the volume of a cone will be displayed by displaying the value of the variable V. Execute and see the program output. Now if you are able to execute and get the output of the program, kindly comment below.